Is project management the career that can take you to six figures? Let's talk numbers here. So based on stats from multiple sources, here's what tech project managers earn on the average. So entry-level tech project managers earn about 60K to 80K every year, while your mid-level project managers earn from 90K to about 120K per year. But senior project managers earn 130K and up. Tech PMs tend to earn higher than project managers in other sectors. But here's the thing to bear in mind, your ability to earn depends on one thing, and that's really ability to deliver results. So employers pay for impact and not just job titles. So what you can do is you can check salary ranges in your area using Glassdoor or LinkedIn and compare them to your skill level. Do these numbers match your career goals? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to hit like and follow for more bite-sized, no fluff, no BS insights. And again, I'll see you in the next one.